What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 7 series, which is based on Oxygen OS 11 and is this second stable build for OnePlus 7 series. Update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device, though I received it via system update section. So if you guys haven't received the update, I'll try to provide the download links in the description below. Just download the file, place it inside the internal storage of your device, go to system update section, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you'll be able to see the file here. Selecting that file will automatically start the installation process, but for safety purpose, make sure to take a backup of your device. So I've already updated my device. Let me show you the software information first by going to settings, about section, and here you can see device is OnePlus 7 Pro, Android version is Android 11 and build number says Oxygen OS 11.0.0.2. This is the latest stable build for OnePlus 7 series based on Android 11. First, let's talk about the benchmark results. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 5,18,425 and these scores are a bit higher than the previous build. With Geek benchmark application, single core have scored 705 and multi-core have scored 2,573. Basically, this update is an hotfix for the previous Android 11 build because it doesn't have any kind of change logs. Let me show you that. And as you can see here in the update logs, we have the same stuff which was with the first build of Android 11. Most of the users were reporting lots of issues on the previous build, and because of which OnePlus previously stopped that initial build of Android 11. And now they have come up with the new build which is Oxygen OS 11.0.0.2. And let's see what all issues we're gonna face on this build. Also, if you guys have already updated your device, then drop a comment in the comment section below if you are facing any kind of issues. With the previous poll what we did, in which most of the users reported issues related to battery, performance and camera. So these three were the main segments where people had issues. Talking about the camera application is version 6.4.47. Also, I'll cover all these topics like battery, performance and camera in a review video. So make sure to drop all your comments if you are facing any kind of issues. After this update, UI feels more responsive and more smoother. Till now, I haven't faced any kind of jitters or lag in the UI, but still wait for my complete review. Gallery still reloads photos whenever we open the application, so still optimizations are required here. Though I feel they have also optimized the auto brightness feature, which wasn't properly calibrated on the previous update. Also, users had reported lots of issues related to a Wi-Fi disconnection. I wasn't facing that issue on the previous update, but if you guys still face the issue on this update, do let me know in the comment section below. Notification delay was a major issue on the previous update, and I think that has been taken care by OnePlus. Now I don't see any kind of delays with the notifications. Also, thanks to OnePlus for not changing the wideband security level, which still remains L1, but still few users are there who has the security level of L3. So guys, there's nothing much to cover in this video. All the important aspects like charging speed, performance part, camera and other stuff, I'll be covering it in my review video. Because with this update, OnePlus did not provide any kind of change logs, and I can only provide you proper information after testing out it thoroughly. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, you guys can drop your comments what all issues you have been facing on this build if you guys have updated, or else if you guys haven't updated your device, then wait for my complete review. After that, you will get a fair idea whether you need to update your device or not. So guys, as of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.